Hotties, hello and welcome to my channel Hot for Me. My name is Ernestine and here I share whatever is hot for me, food and gardening, and I always add a dash of chili because the only thing hotter than me is my chili tree, and I hope that the only thing hotter than you is your chili tree. Let's have some fun. As always, I enjoy having you here. Hello chili lovers. Today we are making cabbage patties and I'm going to do them on the fire. My old electric stove is now my fireplace under the trees. Welcome, I hope you had a fabulous day up to here, and if not, this is the best place to be. Go get yourself some cabbages, carrots and onions. Fry them till they're soft, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to make patties. I've already done that. I've still got to clean my pan. Let me show you this fabulous pan. It is super big and it's still dirty from the previous fry. And then as well, grab some chilies because as always, I like it hot. I really like it hot. I have my fried onion, cabbage and carrots. It looks like that. It smells delicious. I have added coriander, a little bit of ginger, and a bit of turmeric to give it that yellowish look. I will be adding some brown bread flour to it, and I've added a pinch of salt. And just work it through. I'm going to fry this with tomato. I'm going to put the tomato on top. And now I'm adding, it's 3 eggs that I've beaten. And work it through. You can add black pepper and all kinds of other herbs that you want. I'm just gonna let this sit a bit so all those flavors can really blend. Taste if you want more salt. I prefer adding extra salt on my food after it's done. See you at the fire. I've got some tomato, sliced potato in the skin already cooked, and my salt pot, and chopped chili, and a clean pan. I've already added some oil into it, and the fire is doing just fine. And I want to thank you for joining me in the garden today. And we are almost ready to fry those patties. Okay, so let's do this. This pan is huge, and if you were wondering, I bought it from a catering equipment place. I don't know if you can order it from Amazon, but it's really a fun thing to make meals for yourself, friends, and whatever. Zoom in a bit. Now doesn't that look absolutely fabulous? And the one thing about trees, with trees comes birds, and with birds comes poop. So always watch out for the bird poop when you make food under trees. I wish you were here to smell it. It is divine. Absolutely divine. I've been watching all these videos of people trying to make food look like steak. Now I will be damned if that piece of cabbage patty doesn't just look like a piece of steak. Well, obviously it's not going to taste like steak, but wow, I think if you make it thinner, it could be super cool on a burger. Wow, I hope you are enjoying this as much as I do. I haven't been out for a while. I know I haven't made videos for a while, but like everybody, sometimes you just need to take a break. You can do it inside, you don't have to do it outside, but it's a quick meal, it's nourishing, and it's fun, it's something different. And of course, the cupcake is right here. Let me see. Let me show it to you. Cupcake. Cupcake. There you go. Okay, I've added my chili and the tomato, and there's my fried potato. I hope you loved it, and I hope you try it, and let me know how it tasted. Thank you so much for enjoying a day with me in the garden. This definitely looks like a piece of steak. Tell me what you think. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for being with me in the garden. It's so hot and it's so much fun to have a hot for you friend just like you. Ciao ciao, and have a hot for you day where the only thing hotter than you is your chili tree.